Go! Come with him. Be careful. Thumbs up? I get thumbs up? Yeah. And my boy. Uh-oh. Go, Sadie, go. You want to get on your bike? Put his pants sleeve down. Uh-oh, be careful, baby. Uh-oh. Be careful. Yeah. Oh. Oh, it's okay, baby. Say go, Sadie, go. Say go, Sadie, go. Good job, Sadie. Good job, baby. I see you. You're doing it. I see you. I see you. Uh-oh. Good job, Sadie. You're a big boy. Yeah. Can mommy get a ride? Let mommy get a ride. Hey, Masad. You did a good job. Masad, thumbs up. I'm tired. It was hot outside. Yeah. You like your bike? Your motorcycle? Yeah. You want to show them the type of helmet you got? What type of helmet is that? Say Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Yeah. And you have,
it's broken.
yeah.
It's broken.
The Spider-Man bead.
Check it broken.
It's not broken.
Mommy, check it broken, please.
Okay, guys. We just came from letting Masai ride his motorcycle, and he was sleeping, but he's fussy now. Yeah, I'm talking about you, guy. Ow! He just bust my lip. Sorry. Masai said he wanted a nap. Yeah. Yes, you did. He talking about I gotta find a park where though he could ride his bike like freely, like it's gated and stuff, and I don't gotta worry about him like going to the streets or cars or just people being in the way. So yeah. Hi, Jaja. Yeah. This is like a day in a life vlog with my toddler riding his motorcycle. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click on that post notification bell so you can stay notified when we post more videos just like this one. And
move that body. Go, go. Move that body. Go, Jaja. Go, 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 go.
yeah, his grandma got him some soft blocks. I want to show you guys also. These are called foam peg blocks. This is a must-have. This is good for the babies, 6 to 12 months to be exact. Let me see the age on here. It's 2 years old and up, but they're still good for his age because they soft. You can build, play with them.
You broke. Get out of my face. You sound broke.
Messiah just went to take a nap.
Sound broke.
Messiah just went to take a nap, so I'm gonna try to play a little bit with the foam blocks. Okay.